Learn to deliver keynotes like a billion-dollar leader.
There are so many things that you can't do without AI. Let me show you some of it now.
There is one powerful observation here. He uses the power of video demonstration instead of explaining updates in plain sentences. Jensen, the CEO of NVIDIA, chooses to show companies' 5 year progress in one single 30-second video. And this tactic is genius because a visual demonstration does three things at once. First, it makes people instantly feel the impact of the work. When you see impossible ideas become reality on screen, you don't need long explanations. Second, it simplifies extremely complex technology into something even a non-tech person can understand. One video, one single 30-second video replaces 50 technical paragraphs. Third, it connects people to NVIDIA's core mission because the progress becomes visible, tangible, and real. So, the lesson here is when your idea is complex, show it and don't just say it.